Hello guys, how are you doing? Today I'll show you how to customize map or how to produce map or map layout in QGIS. Last time I have showed you how to generate or digitize different entities or geographical features from online base map. Today I'll show you how to produce layout map in QGIS. To do so, just open QGIS and then go to your previous project and then add the previous data. Simply drag from your browser to the map display window in QGIS. Last time I have showed you how to add data from your directory. We do have at least three options. We can drag from browser, or we can add from here from the layer menu and go to add layer, and we can add the required layer, raster layer or vector layer to the map window. And our objective is today how to produce map layout, which is the most important one after having finished any analysis in the QGIS. The final thing is to produce map for the readers. All right, therefore today I'll show you how to produce that map in QGIS. To do so, we have to add our data here into the layers panel. Here the data should be listed logically from small geometry geographical model to the largest one, point, line and small polygon and large polygon in such a way. And then we can manage here the color. We can change the color. The color should be blue or like. Go to symbology. Here it should be blue, or you can write. Can adjust such a way. Yeah, this road. It should be red. Right. Yes, this road, and then the airport. Let us make it now somewhat here. This and parcel green to make the road clear or visible. Okay, here okay, now we did it, and we can zoom out to see all the features in our window. Okay, now let's level the name of the airport. We can level it by name. Yeah, see name. Yeah, the name of the point, not the airport. The name of the point is, or this religious sites. Here we do have church, Protestant church. Here we do have the mosque. And let us change the color of these pointers. And I will go to symbology, and this should be red dot. Okay, you can increase the size here. Okay, yeah, and then you can also level the airport, the name of the airport. Here it is. I can level it, single level. It is name, right? Yeah, the name of teacher's major parts. Yeah. And again, you can also level the name of the road. For example, the road. Let us see the attributable of the road. In order to level, first of all, you have to vary the attributable id, language, owner, date, and type. There is no name here, right? Therefore, we have to add name. For example, if you see the name of religious sites, attributable is here the name, protestant and mosque, it says. But here, there is no name for what? The parcel. Clear? Name for the parcel. You see no name. Height, owner, area. You see? So we can add field, which is called the name. Hit new field, add name of what? Each parcel. It should be what? Text string. And here you can write the length of the text. Already added. One, the name, it is commercial. Let's say commercial parcel. Here residential parcel, and this one garden, and this one, playground, right? And save it here. Yeah. Now we can add the name of the parcel. Level it, go to property, level a single name, not owner. It says by owner, or select by name. Yes, here. See here? This one is residential parcel, commercial area, this playground, and this one is garden. You see? Okay. And now, in order to make our map, we have two options to access the tool. Here we do have the new print layout tool. You can access by this, or Control P. There's Control P in your window, automatically it opens, and write the name, this infrastructure. Infrastructure, okay. Alright, automatically the layout map window pops up. Here you see all the necessary tools are here. You can use all these tools in order to customize or produce map. Here they say again new layout and duplicate layout, and layout manager, save, and print or export option as PDF or as image, or any other options in different formats, especially raster formats. Here all these tools are important to add a map element, right? Therefore, let us go to here, add item. You can get all of these elements in the most left corner of the window. All are found in the add item menu. So let us add what? Add map. To add map, click add map, and then draw here box to access the map into the canvas. Right, automatically it did. Then go to this item property and click this one, interactively edit map extend, and then you can move the map to the required location in your map frame. Clear? And then now let us add the other element, which is the map legend. Right here, can draw that here, and then here you can give title here, infrastructure. Right, and then by the way, you can edit the legend here. This box should be checked if you have more layers in the layers panel, and all the legends are added into your layout map. You can check this one in order to select only the current class feature or items only inside the linked map. Clear? Alright, let us increase the font right here. Let us increase the font to 24. Yeah, it is good. Alignment center left. Alright, this for the title. Let us increase the item, the fonts of each item. This is let us decrease to 20. Yeah, and frame. Alright, if there is frame, yeah, let us add frame. Okay, with the frame it should be like this here, and it should be like this. The frame it should be black. Frame should be black to be visible. And background, let us go to the background. Is there any background? Yeah, here let us background, select background color. Here should be this one. Clear? This is for exercise purpose, but for your project you have to select the required color, background color. Right, now what is left? This item might not necessary. Not necessary. Alright, alignment. Okay. Item font alignment should be centered. Should be left. Okay. Color black. Column. We need spacing. Let us have spacing. Yes. Okay, title. Let me make it the title. Okay, let's make it bold, the title one. Bold, yeah. And then the other thing that we have to add is the north arrow direction. Okay, and the other item that we are going to add is the skill bar. Skill bar should be here, and then I can init incrementer, and segment should be okay, yeah, enough, and it should be here, around here. Yeah, you can use this select tool in order to move your item inside the frame. For example, you can use it in the like this. By the way, let us reduce the size of this okay, almost we have finished, except what? Title. Oh, you can get the title. You can add title. To add title, go to here in the level, right here. This is what? This is infrastructure. Infrastructure what? Of trade on. Okay, let us edit the font size, appearance, and on. Here the font should be 24 and should be bold and bold. Let's make it 8. Make it 2. And the color, we can select appropriate color. Let us make it this one, blue. Okay. And the other thing here, the alignment center, like that. Here it should be center, and the center one, good. Okay, position and size. Yeah. Okay. Now you can use this to adjust location, to move. Okay. Yeah. It is good. Now what is left? We do have scale bar, legend, the title, and those are most important element. What is left is the grade. Grade, which is a very important map element. Don't forget that grade. Let us add grade here. The grade, now add it and edit. That's great. Here grid type, solid or cross or markers. Or let's check all of it. Let's first see what solid looks like. Here adjust the coordinate reference system. It says use map coordinate reference system or project coordinate reference system, WGS 1984. Let us use the map coordinate reference system. Unit here, when the map unit, okay, let's use centimeter, right? And here let us add X 5 and Y also 5. Yeah, 5. It is okay. But let us see what happens if we use 2. Is it very narrow spacing or interval? Therefore, interval should be 5. Right, it is interesting one. And then what is left is, let us add what? Let us add what? Grade. Sorry, let us add the coordinate. The coordinate. Frame, you can add a frame here. Line border, yes. And then let us add what? Or draw this one. Draw coordinates. See? Here we do have options, format options. Decimal with suffix, decimal, degree minute with suffix, degree minute, second. Let's see, degree minute with suffix, this one. Yeah. Now here the alignment, left, right, top, bottom. By the way, two of the positions are enough for location purpose, because the top and the bottom one shows the same information, or tells us the same information. Therefore one of the grid is enough. Therefore most of the time we can use top and right, or top and left, or bottom and right and bottom and left. Clear? Therefore we can disable the other options here. Right, for example. Now let us choose top and the right. Therefore this right one, the reading style should be vertical ascending. You see here, vertical ascending. And let us come to top. Yeah, top one, horizontal. Yeah, it's okay. Sorry. Bottom, let's disable it. The bottom one, let's disable. Yeah, because we have chosen the top and right. Therefore the left is also should be disable. The left thing first here. The left, yes. Now let us adjust the font and other important editing activities. Here the font, spacing greater. Okay. Real, okay, should be real. And the size here. Yeah, and then color, yes, should be this one, the black one. One thing we have to adjust is the precision. Okay, precision, you can adjust the precision, letters, precision, line heights. Okay, let us come to here, and distance to map frame, this one. Yeah, Distance to my frame should be 2 millimeter. The font, what do we have? Just it. And the precision, okay, let us precision 1. Here the precision, it says 3, but why not? Oh no, that is 2. Yeah, should be 2. Or 1. Let's make it. Oh, sorry. 1. Yeah. The other thing is okay. Offset. Here the offset would be this one. Previously I told you that the style of the frame solid. Now it is solid. See, this is solid here, the grid. But let's see cross. Alright, like this, the plus sign mark. Oh, this dots, but this one is important. Frame end annotations only. Clear? Therefore, now we have finished it. One thing we have to add is the outline frame. Outline frame. Let us add outline frame here. Outline frame. Okay. Go to shape. Yeah. The rectangle. Draw rectangle around your frame. Here it is. It covers all. Don't worry. We can adjust this, or we can fix this problem. Go to here, rectangle, yes, and style. Here it is, style. Simple fill. Here, outline. Oh yes, outline. Therefore, here we can adjust our outline frame so it is correct position. You see, now we have finished it. We have finished it. The last thing is exporting the map, right? To export the map, okay, that is one thing. That is like this. Yeah, one thing here, we didn't adjust the offset of the y-axis. Therefore, let us adjust the offset for the y-axis in the grid. offset y see as it is on for x-axis 1 it is here, it is not adjusted. Let it be. Wow, now we have finished it. Therefore the final thing is to export our map. How can we export it? First of all, you can save here the project, or you can go to layout menu and go to export options. Here we do have different export options. Export as image, and here you can select type, format type. Here we do have a lot of options. Now for the time being, let us use the default. Here export infrastructure, save it. Here this image export option window pops up. This is very important window, especially in order to adjust the resolution of the map. Different organizations do have different interest in the export resolution, especially for publication purpose. This is very important technical area that you have to adjust and edit your map resolution. Okay, so for the time being, let us use the default one, which is 300 dpi. Okay, save. Right, it is already saved successfully. Here the report tells us your export layout map is successfully exported, layout to a directory and output folder. Okay, this is all about how to customize or produce our map, the standard map in QGIS. Thank you for watching. Next time I will show you some important elements in QGIS. Thank you.